really good.
Mom, I love to smash up bananas.
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
It's fun.
Hard. Okay, that should be good. Now crack it open like that. Oh yeah, good job, but we don't want the shells in there, but good. Sorry.
Is that honey?
It's maple syrup. Turn it in. 2. Okay. Coconut oil. Okay, mix it all together into the bananas. Just tap it. There you go. And then if you, good. Yep, you want to make sure it's, oh, that looks really good. Okay, mix that all together.
That looks so yummy. Now, I love you.
What?
You know I wanted to come sleep in your bedroom?
Why?
Because I love you.
Oh, that's why you want to sleep with me at night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I love you too. And then we're adding our favorite. Okay, dump that in. And we need one more. There you go. Okay, now use this.
Okay.
In the green one, in the green one. Oh no.
They're getting baked.
Good.